The only thing that I'm afraid of as an artist is being stuck. Siguro yung pag dumating na ako sa point na parang ayoko ng mga changes like musically or basically ayoko maging boomer. Parang ayoko dumating yung time na parang ano ba yan, hindi ko yung parang stubborn and close-minded sa change. Kasi the moment na ayoko nang magbago, parang wala na rin yung artistic growth. For me nga, kahit ang change pagdating sa art or sa music, kahit pa hindi siya positive, kahit negative kunyari, napunta na yung state ng world or ng musical landscape sa bad music. So pag merong bad music, edi may reason lalo yung mga artists na ayoko niyan. Edi you have more reason to make more good music.
That's the thing is people don't realize the existence of something negative only gives you the opportunity to create and see for, yung actuality na may potential positivity, di ba?
Reply fast but try. Red flag. Kasi dry. Green flag. Kasi nag-view pa rin kahit pa paano. Green flag. Kasi iba pa rin yung kinakausap ka, kamusta ka. Green flag. Kasi willing maghintay. Red flag. Kasi aanin mo yung maraming boyfriend. Green flag. Kasi nonchalant ako. Red flag. Kasi bakit may follow yung ex mo. Red flag. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na ganito ka lang. Green flag siguro kasi ganun din ako. Wala ba may red flag? Di maganda yun.
What's something people would be surprised to know about you? Bang hindi alam ng tao sa akin? Hindi ko rin alam. Kasi minsan sa sarili ko, ako din na-surprise. Baka siguro minsan kumakanta ako ng tulog. I don't know if that's weird, but yeah. Who is your dream artist to collaborate with? I've been wanting to collaborate with Miss Lea Salonga. Or kung international, Lady Gaga. Taasan na natin yung pangarap natin. What's your favorite movie? Interstellar. Marami actually, pero Interstellar. Yun nasa isip ko ngayon. What's one line from your song that still hits you every time you sing it? We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. That's my very, very first song. Coffee shop or convenience store at 2 a.m.? Definitely coffee shop. But pwede rin, coffee inside the convenience store. Pwede ba yun? What's a fear you're slowly learning to outgrow? Siguro yung fear ko of, people. Or kung ano yung sasabihin ng mga tao about me. Because sometimes, getting validation from other people can really affect my mood or can affect my mindset. And siguro nakakasanayan ko na rin siya. Kasi parang nasa point na ako ng okay lang kahit anong sabihin nila. Basta gagawin ko yung ginagawa ko. And as long as I'm being true to myself, then that's all that matters. What's a red flag you used to ignore? Making excuses. Well, siguro yung ibang tao para sa akin. Making excuses. Yung parang yung halata mo na nagsisinungaling sila, pero alam mo na nagsisinungaling sila, tapos ginagawa pa rin nila. If a heartbreak had a smell, what would it smell like? Garbage. Or like rotten food or banana. I don't know. What's your go-to karaoke song? My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion or I Have Nothing by Whitney Houston. Ay, time na. Pwede mag-extend.
Last question po.
Last question?
River Cruise, magpapasakal or magpapakasal?
Alam mo, nakita ko na yun dito. Yun yung unang-una nasa page na to kanina. Pero ginanon ko, tinurn over ko. Pero okay, ano yung sabing ko? Question mo?
River Cruise, magpapasakal or magpapakasal?
Masama naman kung sasakalin ko siya, di ba? Sasakalin niya ako, di ba? So magpapakasal, syempre. So, yeah.
Nilapasan pala kayo.
Yun kasi, sabi yun yung una-una, kaya... Oo, yun yung instruction kaya nilipat ko.
mata. Muntik na kung maniwala na makikita na kita.
Huwag mo nang magtanong kung kailan. Di ko rin alam paano sa sabayan. Di mo ba alam kung saan dami ng puntahan, ikaw pa rin di makalimutan. Panandalian na lang ba aking kasayahan? Kahit saan magpunta, di pa rin mawala sa aking isipan. Saan man puntahan, ikaw pa rin di ko malimutan. Right.
Ang sinag ng araw at buwan, langit ay abot tanaw, isigaw sa kawalan, awit ng walang hanggan. Bigyan ang buhay ng sigla, upang alam muli madama, ang ligayang hinahangad. Sana'y walang katapusan. Samahan mo ko sa aking munting paraiso. Malayang lilibutin ng mundo, sabay lang sa agos ng panahon. Yakapin ang liwanag na nakikita. Heto na ang bagong simula.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.